We are talking about something really cool. Wow, look at that. It's a TomToc compact EDC sling, which is one of the most liked bags on this channel, but it's new and it's an XPAC. This is new for TomToc. Looks like they're venturing into a new world of higher quality materials. Very cool. And I gotta say, less annoying logos. Nice job, TomToc. All right, well, let's check this bag out and see what's new and what's different. And we will compare it to my custom EDC sling from TomToc. We'll take a look at both and we'll see what the differences are. But first, let's dive in. All right, looks like we've got the same little pocket up front on this bag. We'll open it up. Oh, look at that. Got a nice soft orange. It's not super bright orange. It's kind of a, we'll call it a pumpkin orange. 2 pockets in the front with ripstop fabric. Key leash in black with a metal. Nice. Yeah, so good front pocket as usual. You do have the attachment point on the sides as usual. We've got an AquaGuard zipper up top. Nice. And we'll open up the main compartment here. Little logo. XPAC. Boom. Little tech pocket in the back for a phone. And looks like we've got pretty good sized front space here. Let's see. Yeah, 20-ounce bottle fits in there. It's a swell bottle. Nice. All right. And then 2 elastic subdivided pockets here. And then on the back, it looks like we've got another pocket. Again, with the orange ripstop material on the inner lining. All right. Let's see what's different about this bag in XPAC versus this bag, which is the Compact EDC Custom Edition. So you can see I've customized the heck out of this one with different colors. But I've left the main choices the same as the core Compact EDC bag. So it looks like the zipper pulls are the same. Looks like inside this pocket, you've got the same layout. 2 pockets, key leash, metal clip. Looks like inside, same layout again. Tech pocket, 2 subdivided mesh pockets, back pocket. So completely the same interior layout on the bag. Cordura on the back panel. Here's a small change. Look at the different buckles they're using for the XPAC. For the XPAC, it looks like they've upgraded the buckle a little bit versus the traditional Duraflex. Okay. Looks like the same high quality strap material. All right. So the biggest change is that the XPAC version of the bag is made with XPAC material. It is just a little bit lighter, just a little bit lighter. Okay, so nothing really over the top. Same size bag. Yeah, all right. So 2 things I love about this bag. Love the size of the bag, very useful. Love the higher quality materials. Things that I think could be a little bit better about this bag, just a little bit better. I think they could have gone with a slightly even more upgraded buckle on an XPAC version of this bag. Could have gone with a fidlock or a Cobra buckle. That would have been really, really over the top neat. I think they could have added an extra pocket on the front here as well for this higher quality version of the bag. But I've got to say, of these 2 bags, which do you think was more expensive? If you guessed the custom version, you're correct. This custom version was approaching $100. This XPAC version, closer to around $60. So it's a good bag. I think you should think twice before you click buy, only because you're kind of in the same territory as the XPAC slings from Air when you're buying at this price point. And the Air Day Sling 3 Max, it's a mouthful, Air Day Sling 3 Max and the Air Day Sling and City Sling are all kind of in this range, and I like them just a little bit better. just a little bit. But if you're a TomToc fan, and I am, you'll be glad to have this little beauty in your collection. Nice bag, and way to go, TomToc, getting rid of the annoying Vinyl Dawn logo for something much classier. Much classier. Way to go. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed your first look at the TomToc Compact EDC bag in XPAC. She's a beaut. Thanks, everybody. We will see you next time. Bye for now.